Want to unlock even more savings on Temu? Let's dive into Temu's coupon back program and turn you into a savvy shopping pro. Okay, so what exactly is coupon back? It's simple. When you buy certain items on Temu, you can earn coupon credits to use on future purchases. Think of it as getting a little bonus back every time you shop. These credits can be used like cash on pretty much anything Temu offers. Look for the coupon back label on product pages. It'll tell you exactly how much credit you'll earn if you buy that item. Now, are you eligible? Typically, you need to have an active Temu account and make purchases that qualify for the promotion. Check Temu's Help Center for the most up-to-date requirements. To use your coupon back credits, just add items to your cart as usual. During checkout, your available coupon credits will automatically be applied to your order, reducing your total cost. Maximize your savings by stacking coupon back credits with other coupons or promotional offers. Keep an eye on expiring credits so you don't miss out. Now you are ready to shop like a pro. Click on the subscribe button below to never miss the next trick to save some extra money.